Indigo has also informed, it has issued a latest update. It is confirming that 137 out of its 138 destinations are now operational. The airline has also said that it is on track to operate around 1,650 flights today. Indigo is also reporting an improved on-time performance, which now stands at 75% as operations slowly continue to stabilize. That's the latest from Indigo, and now we have more breaking news coming in. So as airport operations are gradually stabilizing, we're getting information that Indigo is expected to operate around 1,650 flights today. There is a fare cap that has been enforced to prevent any kind of surge, and officials are also confirming that ticket prices are also back to normal levels. So Indigo has been asked to complete all pending refunds by 8 p.m. This is an important update for our consumers. Indigo has, for all passengers and for also all consumers, that there is an official confirmation coming in that Indigo has been asked to complete all pending refunds by 8 p.m. There is a 610 crore already that has been processed in terms of refunds. Going across to Isha. Isha, there is a statement that has been issued, one by Indigo and also by the government. Take us through the latest update. Take us through what is, what information you can share that can help our passengers.
Sagrika, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has now come out with an official statement where they have confirmed that 610 crores of refunds have already been processed, and by the end of today, more refunds will be processed. But we'll cut to the visual state across to give you a spot check of the situation. We're currently reporting from Terminal 2. This is the exact spot where we saw several stranded passengers. We saw several passengers also who were raising slogans. This is the exact terminal where all of that was transpiring. In fact, towards the right side, towards gate number 6 is where the ticketing counter was, and that is where you can see that is where a lot of crowd used to be there. In fact, even on the board that we just saw, request my camera person to also zoom into the board, you can see that this board was 3 days ago completely dead. All flights were delayed, most flights were delayed, but you can see that now some of them are only delayed. You can see mostly flights are running on the time.
Yes.
On time. However, we have been also told by our sources in the government is that about 3,000 bags have been delivered to passengers so far. Major crowd management has taken place. There is extra ground support.
The focus is on ensuring that passengers who've been troubled because of the crisis do get relief. There is a statement that has been put out by PIB. Let me go across to my colleague Pratibha, who has the detailed statement. Pratibha, it's over to you.
Sagrika, there has been a lot of concerns over multiple thousands of flights that have been cancelled, and now there has been a swift restoration of airline operations, and this is the message that has come in from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, that has taken rapid and decisive steps to address this disruption that has been caused by the recent Indigo operational crisis, to ensure that passengers do not face continued inconvenience. So in this entire detail being given on the measures that have been taken, the airfare regulation to prevent any overcharging. So in light of the recent cancellations that led to a shift in demand and temporary surge in the airfares, the ministry has immediately intervened and introduced a cap on the airfare. So any airfares that you will be booking now, there is a cap that has been ensured by the ministry. Apart from that, the passenger refunds. This is very, very important because for many, their money had been lost. They were waiting for refunds. So a big relief coming in because the ministry has also said that to ensure financial protection for passengers, the ministry issued strict directives to Indigo, requiring that all refunds for cancelled or severely delayed flights to be completed by 8 p.m. today. So by 8 p.m. today, all the refunds are expected. Indigo has in fact so far processed refunds totaling 610 crore rupees. No additional fee is also permitted for rescheduling. So anybody wanting to reschedule because of these cancelled flights, there will be no additional fee that will be put in by Indigo. Apart from that, there were thousands of people whose baggages had been lost. So for them as well, the ministry has instructed Indigo to trace and deliver all baggage separated from passengers due to disruptions within 48 hours. So an indication coming in from the ministry very clearly that by 8 p.m. today, the refunds will happen, after which immediately within 48 hours, the baggages should reach the passengers.
Thank you, Isha and Pratibha, for getting us that very important update. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break.